Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today someone new has come to meet you. Do you want to meet him? Let us meet him. See, here he is. He's a boy and his name is Minus. Minus is a fun-loving lad, always taking away. When he comes around you, you will end up with less. He makes a big difference, but he will never confess. So whenever Minus will be around you, you have to be very careful because he will go on making things lesser and lesser. So this is Minus, and do you know Minus symbolizes a sign. This is a sign which means minus. Means whenever this sign comes, the things which you are having will become lesser and lesser. Today Minus wants to play a game. There are cups kept on the table and Minus is going to hit a ball at the cups. Let us see how he is going to make the cups less. So there are how many cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups. Now he will throw a ball at the cups. Now Minus has taken 1 cup, that is from 6 cup 1 cup has become less. So how many cups are there now? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups. Now there are 4 cups. Let us see how many cups Minus takes away. So Minus has taken 2 cups. That is 4 minus 2. How many cups are remaining? 2 cups. So children, let us see how we will do subtraction with the help of Minus. So as you know, Minus, wherever he goes, he makes the things less. And you also know that this is the sign of Minus. Okay. Now this is a toy shop. The toys are displayed and Minus is going to buy the toys. Now he wants a teddy bear. Now there are how many teddy bears? 2 teddy bears. And Minus wants only 1 teddy bear. So we give 1 teddy bear to Minus. So as you can see, first there were 2 teddy bears and Minus has taken 1 teddy bear. So how many teddy bears are remaining? 1. Okay. Now there are toys here. There are 7 toys. So Minus wants, he doesn't want these toys. So how many toys remain if he doesn't want? So 7 minus 0 will be 7. Now you can see there are animals here and Minus wants 3 animals. Okay. So we will give Minus, he wants a giraffe, he wants an elephant and he wants a monkey. So first there were 6 animals. And how many did Minus take? 3 animals. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Okay. Now there are caps here. And Minus, how many caps are there? There are 5 caps. And Minus wants 3 caps. So let us give him 3 caps. So 1, 2 and 3. So there were first 5 caps and Minus has taken 3 caps. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. You can also see here 2 caps are remaining. Now there are cars here. How many cars are there? There are 4 cars and Minus wants 2 cars. So we will give him 2 cars. 1 car and 2 cars. So let's see how many cars are remaining. So first there were 4 cars and Minus has taken 2 cars. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Let us check. Yes, there are 2 cars remaining. So children, what we have learned through this is subtraction. So Minus sign is used for subtraction. Children, let's recall the toys that Minus took from the toy shop. There were 2 teddy bears and minus took away one teddy bear. So let's see how many teddy bears are remaining. So one teddy bear is remaining. There were 7 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But minus did not want any of these toys. So 7 minus 0, that is he didn't take any toys. So 7 minus 0 is 7. Next there were 6 animal toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 6 toys, minus took 3 toys. So let's see, 6 minus 3 is how much? 1, 2, 3 toys are taken away. So how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3 are remaining. There were 5 caps or hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus took 3 caps. So let's take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining? 1, 2. 2 caps are remaining. There were 4 cars in the toy shop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus took 2 cars. 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 1, 2. So 2 cars are remaining.